Welcome back, folks! In today's episode, we're diving into the world of avocados, with not just one but two scrumptious recipes. First up, we'll whip up a spicy avocado mango salad, a dish bursting with colors and flavors. Then, we'll move on to creating tuna avocado boats, a simple yet elegant treat that's sure to impress. Let's do it! For this salad, our key players are a ripe mango, 1 red onion, 2 creamy avocados, and a generous handful of fresh cilantro. Let's start with our mango. We'll chop it into square blocks, aiming for bite-sized pieces that will blend beautifully with the rest of our salad ingredients. This step is all about getting those juicy, sweet mango cubes ready to add a burst of tropical flavor to our dish. Next up, it's time to tackle the red onion. We'll finely chop it, adding a beautiful pop of color and a slight sharpness that will perfectly complement the sweetness of our mango and the creaminess of the avocados. This addition is sure to bring a delightful balance to our salad. Now, let's turn our attention to the star of today's show, the avocado. Carefully chop them into pieces that match the mango in size, ensuring every bite of our salad is a harmonious blend of creamy and sweet. And we can't forget about our cilantro, the final touch that ties all the flavors together. Let's give it a good chop, releasing its aromatic essence. Now comes the fun part, spicing things up with the sauce. I'm a big fan of Sriracha, and honestly, who isn't? Add some lemon juice over our salad to prevent oxidation. Then, season with pepper and salt to taste, adjusting according to your preference. Let's give everything a good toss, blending all these wonderful ingredients together. However, I realized something was missing. The dish lacked a burst of color that could really make it visually pop. That's when I decided to add some tomato to the mix. The rich red of the tomato not only complements the green of the avocado beautifully, but also introduces a fresh, juicy element that enhances the overall taste and presentation of our spicy avocado mango salad. And there we have it, our spicy avocado mango salad, a dish that truly embodies the perfect balance, with the crunchiness of red onion, the creaminess of the avocado, the natural sweetness of mango, and the bold kick of Sriracha. Every bite is a testament to harmony in flavors. Alright, folks, it's time to dive into our second avocado masterpiece of the day. Grab your can of tuna and get it opened. Carefully drain the tuna and take it out, setting it aside for now. Next up, grab 2 avocados. We'll cut them in half, twisting gently to separate the halves. Then using a knife, carefully score the flesh inside the skin, cutting it into square blocks without piercing the skin. This technique not only makes the avocado easier to mix with our other ingredients, but also prepares our boats to be filled with the delicious tuna mixture we're about to prepare. Now, let's bring some vibrant color and fresh flavor into the mix. Take your tomatoes and chop them into small, bite-sized pieces. These juicy gems will add a beautiful contrast to our tuna avocado boats, both in taste and in presentation. Time to add a creamy twist to our filling. Spoon in some mayonnaise, as much or as little as you like. Then, carefully blend everything together, ensuring the tuna, tomato and mayonnaise are mixed well. This step is crucial for creating a smooth, unified filling for our avocado boats, marrying all the flavors into one delicious harmony. Now comes the moment to assemble our creation. It's time to gently scoop our beautifully blended mixture back into the hollowed out avocado skins, transforming them into our tuna avocado boats. Fill them generously, letting the mixture mound slightly above the edges for a look that's as appetizing as it is inviting. With each avocado skin now cradling a portion of our savory filling, our boats are ready to set sail on a sea of culinary delight. And there you have it, folks, our delightful tuna avocado boats. I hope you've enjoyed creating these simple yet stunning dishes as much as I have. If you try these recipes, I'd love to see your creations. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tasty journeys. Until next time, keep exploring the endless possibilities in your kitchen, and may your meals always bring joy to your table.